I told you you're gonna have oil problems buying a 350Z.
Okay, what should we do?
You need an oil catch can.
I found one on Mishimoto for an HR, so that could work.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're gonna be working on the 350Z some more. We have more oil problems, but we got a perfect solution for you guys. So let's just hop right into it. So, as you guys see in the bag, today we are working with Mishimoto and the shirt, and we have everything we need to do a oil catch can for the VQ35HR. So let's see what's in the bag.
All right, one of our favorite parts.
So we have a full 9-minute video. Basically, we are watching a YouTube video while filming a YouTube video for you guys. All right, so what we're about to get into is basically just reroute some hoses, take this under the intake, and try to fit it under your hand all the way through. We got it right under the intake tube, and now, luckily, they have provided us a T-connector because I did break my CCV resonator a while ago, the driver's side. So this is the passenger side. So now I don't have to worry about it. Thanks, Mishimoto. This is a super easy install. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna be running this hose through this T-connector. We have it connected to the intake tube and run it from the back. The two cans are gonna be sitting from the back. We're also gonna be doing some rerouting on this side and we'll be done. And then we can finally start the car. After how many days? No! Okay. Me struggling. Yo, what's up, friends? Currently the next day, because it got dark outside and I didn't feel like recording, I'm still in the same shirt. I also wanted to show you guys some of the things I got from Mishimoto other than the full oil catch can kit. So we got 2 of these penguin refreshers. I wonder what they smell like. Lots of bags. These are where the 2 cans for the oil catch can kit are. And here are a bunch of my bolts. Let's see. Ooh, okay, I got a lanyard, so that was really cool. And I got this string bag. And these are the mounting plates for the can. This is what I broke. Wow, the ventilator that was replaced with the T-connector right there. I asked everybody on TikTok and Instagram like what they were called, and no one had a clue, but I finally found out from the Mishimoto site that they were called resonators, CCV resonators, so that's very helpful. Ooh, I also got this tank and the shirt I'm wearing. Anyways, back to the engine bay. So basically we rerouted a couple of the hoses. We are still keeping this crankcase hose. I still have to figure out how I'm gonna be connecting this to this to this. Obviously it's gonna be a hose and some clamps. This shouldn't take any more than 20 minutes, and when I say 20 minutes, I mean 20 minutes. I don't mean 3 hours. So I was wondering why this crankcase hose wasn't fitting properly right here, and it was because it was flipped. And now for the exciting part, the cans. So hoses have been rerouted. I will show you guys later in the engine bay. They have a very in-depth tutorial on their website once you buy it. So honestly, it's like, I don't really want to show you guys every little step. Hopefully you guys are still enjoying this video though. But this is what this looks like. This is the taller one, and then there is a smaller one right here. So I just realized I haven't explained to you guys what oil catch cans are even used for. So let me just search that up real quick. No, I'm just kidding. So basically how this works is it's a 2-way system that basically takes old, actually not old, like very clean oil that's unused, and it's like circulated back in the intake. So we catch it in here, hence oil catch can kit. We catch it here and it's clean oil that hasn't been used, so we can dump it back into the engine if we wanted to. So these kind of just unscrew. If you guys want, I can make a video a couple months from now seeing how much oil has been caught up into these, and I can do a review on the whole Mishimoto oil catch can kit after the installation. So I think that would be a really good idea. Right now we are basically screwing on the connector. Ooh, aluminum black, looks very clean, into the can so we can connect it to the hose. I need a wrench to screw this on tight, but this is what it looks like. You already know who's here in the Yaris, Jason. All right, next up is the mounting plates. So each can has about 2 plates you gotta screw on. Forgot how it goes. I think it goes like this, or what if it goes like that? How would I know? Basically sits on like this, and the screws are provided. So I'm just gonna go ahead and screw on all the mounting plates, and let's head to the engine bay. We getting them boys on tight. Ah, there's no room on this side. All right, well now we are going ahead with a 10 mil socket to basically mount this on an already mounted bracket. So 2 mounts in one, best way to describe it. So this is gonna go like this. We're probably gonna need longer screws for all this. Alright, mounting plates have been installed. It's getting a little darker and harder for you guys to see, but now we are gonna take the cans and basically mount them under, and we have 4 hoses that all we have to do is correctly figure out which one goes in which, and they have them labeled in and out, and one is shorter for the other. The shorter one is going in the passenger side right over there. It's gonna sit on just like this. It's getting a little hard for me to record and also bolt things on at the same time, so I will come back to you guys once I have them mounted on and have the hoses connected correctly, because there's 4 of each. It could get really confusing really fast, but if you hop onto the Mishimoto website, they will tell you exactly what hose goes in what, so you don't mess up. Dang, it's dark out, but I'm gonna try to flash a light so you guys can see what it finally looks like. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like. It doesn't look messy at all. You know, there's just 4 hoses that are connected to 2 of the oil catch cans. And yeah, this is what it looks like overall. So until the next video, I'm gonna be putting on the engine cover and the battery cover and all the goodies so it actually looks clean, and I'll put my carbon fiber hood on. But for now, I'm done working for the day. Ooh, look at the wrap. And that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy I have this installed. I just feel a lot better about my engine. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And let me know if you guys ever knew about an oil catch can kit, because they are very helpful and I'm so happy I did research and found out about them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video where we figure out if this car can finally start and we can take it out on a cruise and get ready to race a special somebody that also runs this channel. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.